Law professor Ben Trachtenberg says the federal government is still investigating two things. First, the Department of Justice is investigating the Ferguson Police Department for possible discriminatory police actions.
If, for example, there's evidence of racial disparities in traffic stops, in arrests, in enforcement, in fines, that could be the sort of thing that, even though it doesn't involve Michael Brown's death directly, now that the federal government's investigating it, it does have authority to come in and try to seek a civil remedy from the federal court.
Second, the Civil Rights Division of the Department of Justice could charge Ferguson police officer Darren Wilson for the murder of Michael Brown. Trachtenberg says that's a long shot.
Not only would they have to prove that the killing was unjustified, in other words, that it wasn't done in lawful self-defense, which is the kind of thing that would have had to be proven in a Missouri state criminal case.
Finally, Michael Brown's family could file a wrongful death lawsuit against Officer Wilson and the Ferguson Police Department.
They have some time to decide where and when to bring that lawsuit. But it would be the same idea. It would be that Michael Brown's killing was unjustified and that Darren Wilson should pay for it.
Trachtenberg predicts the Brown family will file a civil lawsuit against Officer Wilson and the Ferguson Police Department within the next year. Mark Slavit, KRCG 13, Columbia. There is more courtroom controversy underway tonight after last night's Ferguson grand jury decision. Hear why a Mizzou law professor says more legal battles are possible.
I think they have months, if not a couple of years, to bring the lawsuit. I don't want to. What happens is that everyone believes, whether they're a defense lawyer or a prosecutor, everyone knows that. They have some time to decide where and when to bring that lawsuit. But it would be the same idea. It would be that Michael Brown's killing was unjustified and that Darren Wilson should pay for it. I think they have months, if not a couple of years, to bring the lawsuit. I don't want to. What happens is that everyone believes, whether they're a defense lawyer or a prosecutor, everyone knows that police witnesses tend to get the benefit of the doubt from jurors, whether grand jurors or regular trial jurors. And so, based on the leaks of what kind of evidence was going in, it didn't seem likely that you'd have anything but the result